Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to build a calculator website using OpenAI's ChatGPT model. Calculators are essential tools for performing mathematical operations and are used by millions of people every day. And now, with the help of ChatGPT, we can build a calculator website that can perform any operation you want. This is a basic HTML structure, with a form that will hold the input fields and buttons for the calculator. Next, we need to add some styling to the web page to make it look like a calculator. Now add JavaScript to perform calculation.
Here we go.
Now, let's move on to the most exciting part of this project, integrating ChatGPT into our calculator website. Let's try out a few operations and see if ChatGPT can perform them correctly. As you can see, ChatGPT can perform any operation you ask it to, from simple addition to complex calculations. Now asking ChatGPT to add more CSS to look attractive.
Here we go.
And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we have built a calculator website that uses ChatGPT to perform mathematical operations.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.